Hey, what's up guys? What's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. Before you guys get down into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Cory Goodness. So yes guys, I am here to talk about man. Why does she always come up with these topics? What's wrong with her? Why is she always speaking these topics? Guys, so I was sitting down and I was thinking just a while ago. I did not even plan to do this video. This wasn't something that I say, okay, I am going to do this video. It just comes. I was in my room and it actually comes to me. You understand? I'm gonna talk about man, nothing bad, all positive. Sometimes in life, we as female, we're in a relationship, right? Sometimes in life, we as female, we're in a relationship and our partner do a lot of things out there. I know females might comment and say, what is she talking about? I hope this message y'all understand it. You understand? Because we as female tend to always throw everything to the male. You understand? I'm not thinking that a lot of these problems cause from we as females. If I am wrong, I want you to tell me that I am wrong. If I am right, I want you to come and say I am right. For example, you don't have to cheat as a female to be a bad wife, a bad girlfriend, a bad fiance, or a bad baby mama. No, you don't have to. And a lot of females, that's the first thing they jump to say. When they push a man to do certain things, the first thing they say is, I never yet cheat on him yet. I never yet do that. Do you think about all the times them when you low down this person? Do you think about the times that you don't spend as a girlfriend, baby mother, fiance, or wife to make sure he have a proper meal? Do you make sure? I'm not saying a woman is 100% supposed to do that, but we all know the role of a woman. You understand? A man cannot be a woman, and a lot of we women take it the different way. It doesn't even matter if you work more money than the man, because some are gonna work more than some. Everything's supposed to be a partner. A lot of men are threatened to even be with some successful woman. You might just say, oh, I have everything, but still let ego and cheat. Because you see the word that we use, everything. Nothing is wrong to being proud of yourself. But you see that little word that we use to say, you have everything, and you throw it on him every time and say, oh, you whatever, you're in my class, you whatever. And listen, each time that man is around you, he's gonna think low of himself. Worse than him know him can match up to your level. He's gonna always think low of himself. And then guess what? He's gonna look for somebody. He's gonna look for somebody who is going to give him that attention he really needs, who is gonna let him feel like a man. The moment you as a woman start show something to the man, oh, this and that, I work more money than you, I do this more than you, I do that more than you. You make him feel like him is a boy. Because guess what, you know? You didn't know from day one. Say that him have. I can understand if the boy workless, kind of some workless man. If him workless and him no want to work none at all, and just want to cock up and woman take care of him, that's different. But a man who go out there and go push and try to make something, it have some man, them not educated, likewise some female. You understand? Like I heard somebody say the other day, woman always say, oh, I want a man with this, I want a man with a degree, do you have a degree? But you don't want this. Nothing is wrong with asking for all of these. But when the man turn on and asks and say, do you have this or you have that? You get offended as a female. So no feel like so the man feel away same way. I will always start this topic because I have a dad, I have uncle, I have brother, I have nephew. You understand? And we as female need to do better. You understand? We have to do better. Stop making the man them feel less than them a man. They don't know when in there. They don't know blame them. You can't get up and cuss the man every day. And when him not cheat, you say him cheat. You not see the man with no woman, you dey give him woman. And on a woman way, everything on a friend tell you say, on run and take it. And when sometimes nothing no go so. Some of them friends they bad mind. And now are so not happy. And wish for in your shoes. You understand? Them wish for the inner your shoes. So them will come every minute and tell us something. If them see a partner on the road and somebody talk to them run and say, you see me now want they see them now want position a certain way. Don't allow people to come and they tell you things about your life. Every minute. There's a feed the negative. That's not going to help you. Sometimes people like them something, you know. It have friends, you know, where you move out with your life, you live a certain way. Your man give you all the attention you need, and you might do certain things 1 and 2 times, but them not have no life and a relationship. So them do everything in them might and them will. And you sure you want that way there? Remember saying you should stay this way, you know. Remember saying you should stay that way there, you know. Remember you should have wife a woman before, you know. Why you think him change? I think he change. Sorry about that, guys. A lot of men will change for a female. Sometimes you see a man bad. You see him grown. Sometimes he's trying to find the right person to settle down with. Sometimes you might feel, say, you gotta do everything. Here? Sometimes you think you gotta do everything. Child, you ain't. Because what he's looking for in you, he's not seeing it. You understand? And on a woman, when you meet the man, when you just meet the boy, you do everything. Hairstyle nice up. And by me, you stay a certain way, you know. Always dolled up, always look sexy and nice. And as you know, moving with the man, so wanna start dressed like granny. If the man did want a granny, he would have look a granny. You understand? Me no say you have to go out there and carry yourself a certain way. But the man wants you to look a certain way, that's why I look you. Then they wonder why, oh, all of a sudden as me live with you, so you change. Babes, you always come home tired. Yes, because the man have a sexy girl out there. You know, have to be sexy so them have shape and thing, you know. Because a person can be fat enough to put themselves together and being spontaneous to a man. You understand? And you wonder why babes come home tired. Babes don't get feel relaxation on road already. So all him do is come home and make sure he come home. And night time. If you sleep with you. But you change everything. One time I did a Trinidad, you know. But at church and you see the same topic I me talk about, the pastor talk about it. When a woman, and likewise a man, when you meet the woman and you used to carry them out on date, all of a sudden as they live with you, you don't want to carry them on a date. Date no means you have to go to a fancy restaurant, you know. You don't have to go to a fancy restaurant. You can't even go to a movie. If movie expensive in our country, you go somewhere with cheap or sell cheap ice cream and you talk and you eat just to get out and sit down and not eat and you know them something nice. As the pastor that say if you even go buy doubles and eat. Some man don't do nothing fun. As the moment when the man live together, you figure to say, all I want you to do because you feel so you're in the right place you want to be. You understand? Sometimes some little things will make a man drift away from a woman. You understand? That's why most men maybe cheat. Don't say me and say, oh, I can't do with man cheating. But no, it's all about fairness. And until some of us open our eyes to a lot of things, we are going to keep losing, man. Because remember nowadays, you know, it's all 1 man to 20 women. I don't care what Uno say. Yeah. Yeah. And when they say that, I don't say every man they cheat or whatever. But you don't know most of them man they gone. You understand? And Uno man, and Uno woman too. But every female Uno man talk to them they with. Uno fi cut it out. That's why enough of them boy they turn batty man. You hear? Because guess what? When you watch them with every woman, and sometimes they not touch none of them. And when them bridging, you come home and see them and them bridging and play a game. You don't know them just done rub bottom and whatever. And you come home and hey, whatever. Yeah, you're glad to meet him friend because he is a man. So you're glad to meet him friend. And deep down you know say him is a fish. Listen, me don't want nobody bash me. I don't care what a person do with their life. That's their life. But I'm just saying something as an example. A lot of women them vex when them see them man have female friends. Or maybe they're not supposed to have no female friends. But you have this man friend. You understand? That's enough of them boy undercover Batman and I don't know. Yep. And them do it in the face. And when as woman sit down and take it like a G because guess what, you don't know. You blind to them something there. Me rather if you know say my man they with a lot of woman than him go to one man or him name call about one man. It's the truth, nothing but the truth and the whole truth. So some of you see we females, I'm going to talk about myself too. You need to fix up with folly grounds, you know? And do the right thing. You see me? Which you can do everything with some of these niggas and they still ain't changing. You understand? But it have to start from we sometime. Sometimes you can't always render evil for evil. Sorry about that, guys. Sometimes you can't always render evil for evil. Or you come home late tonight, so you go come home late tomorrow night. Because I want him to send it up to me. Because he come home late last night, I want him to send it up to me. We have to allow a man to be man, you know. You understand? Because when you treat a man like a boy, I yard where you live with, he might go out there, go look at next girl, who are going to make him feel like a man. Listen to what I say. I'm going to repeat it again. You see, when you treat a man like a boy home, he's going to go and look at next girl who is going to make him feel like a man. Yeah. So no be careful. What only that do? Cause some man woman thinks say I just cheat by man is just the problem. You can be the most faithful woman, but be the most disgusted one. Stop annoying the man them every time them go out, them say them go out with them bridge and say a girl they go look. Sometimes niggas just go have fun. You understand? Every time a woman, you know say some man, you know say a lot of man. I'm not gonna go too long with this video. Remember to subscribe. You know a lot of man cheat because of we woman. Because we sit down and we judge them every day and them say, but if she don't believe so me faithful to her, why the sense being faithful? You better me just cheat. You understand? Because she accused me and I not do it. So why not just doing it? You know? So I just do it. So anyway guys, I hope you guys learned something from this. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Goodas. Guys, and please remember to also click the link in the description box below and subscribe to my sister channel. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Just click on the link. She have a lot of great contents, a lot of food over there to make Jamaican food, Trinidad food, guys. Thank you guys for your time. If you reach this far into the video, I want you to comment Paka. I want you to comment Paka. That's P-A-C-K-A. If you reach this far, I want you to comment Paka. Let's see who is watching this video. Because I know a lot of y'all don't watch out my video. Y'all just comment and say, I was here and then not gone. You understand? That's why a lot of y'all do. Just make a comment to say I was here. Y'all don't spend time. And people that spend time to watch your video. So if you reach this far in the video, please to comment Paka. That's P-A-C-K-A. Bye guys.